Okay, hello guys, it's me again, kitchen Sado. This time it's going to be in English. There's a lot of requests for that, so I'm doing today is the banana loaf, chocolate banana loaf. So we need 3 bananas, as you can see them, red, see, 3. You got melted butter, which is 80 ml. Just here we go. You got 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and you got 1 egg. Sugar, you can use 1 cup or less than that. I'm using 1/2 cup of sugar because I'm gonna put some chocolate chip. You need some vanilla, you need some salt, see, baking soda, baking powder, and this is the chocolate chip I'm gonna use, about 1/2 cup or a cup of chocolate chip, so that's why I'm putting less sugar. And then first of all, you're gonna mash the bananas over here. Okay, the pan is ready. I put some butter, all right, and some flour over here, and then the oven is on already on 350. So first we're gonna start with mushing. You don't need any mixture, you're just gonna be using the spatula. That's it. So we're gonna do that and showing you step by step. I'm gonna make it short video, so all easy. Be easy. Thank you. Let's go and mash the bananas. Okay, it's me again. Sado kitchen. So we mash the bananas. You can see that. Don't over mash them, okay? All right, so they're ready. So now we're gonna add the butter. There we go. If you prepare everything, it doesn't take you 10-15 minutes to finish everything. So you just stir that, mix the butter with the bananas. Okay, there we go. Okay, butter, see the mixture. All right, add the sugar. I put 1/2 sugar. Mix, mix, mix. Mix. Sugar is on. Eggs. And bye-bye. Mix. Go. See? All right. Now I'm gonna put vanilla. I like vanilla so much, so I'm gonna try to 1 TSB. So 1 TSB of vanilla. There we go. Vanilla's done. And then baking powder, the same thing. 1 TSB. Okay. Sorry, I said baking soda, not baking powder. Okay. So it's baking soda, baking powder. Same thing. And then a little of salt. You see. That's it. Done. Mix. Alright, you can smell the vanilla. Yummy! I love vanilla. So, done. 1.5 cups of flour, gradually added, and mix. Until the flour gets melted with the mixture. There we go. Alright, so it's been like right now is almost 3 minutes. So let's hit the 5 minutes. Just mix. This way. Go. All right. That's the part that takes a little time, but otherwise everything's so easy and fast. Vanilla, I always like vanilla. vanilla, and then you can add it all. And that's it. Just keep mixing. Mix. Done. There you go. See? Chocolate. I put, this is quarter of a cup, 1/3 of the cup, sorry. A little bit. I'll put a little more. I like it. So you can add walnut, you can add whatever you want to the mixture. There you go. And you bake it for 40 minutes, 350. Okay. Kids, they like the chocolate, so we'll add a little bit more. They love it with the chocolate chips, so here we go. Let them be happy with the chocolate chip. Alright, so done deal, almost 5 minutes, and then here. Done. Done as a done deal. Here you go. Finish. There you go. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Done deal. 40 minutes in the oven, and then we'll show you the result after. Thank you. Okay, we're back. Banana loaf is ready. As you can see, it's been more than 50 minutes. Actually, it's 53 minutes. I always put it 40 minutes and I keep adding 45 minutes. So I add another, 8 minutes. So 40 plus 8 or whatever. So you can find out how it is. So always start with the 40 minutes and then you can add more minutes. So the way you can see it is, it's nice. Just put this down and see nothing over here. Nothing watery, or you can feel it, it's cooked. Okay, look at the texture, nice and soft. Okay, so it's done, and you have to completely wait until it's cooled down and then you flip it. All right, so here we go, ready and good to go until it's cooled down. When I flip it, I will show it as well how it looks like, and I've cut a slice of it. All right. Done deals at the kitchen. Bye bye. Okay, so it's ready now. It's cold. Okay, so it's ready to flip. You can see it's really easy. Okay, and then you flip it. Here we go. Ta-da! Ta-da! Done deal. Here you go. That's the result. Thank you. Okay, and this is how it looks like from inside. See? Nice texture. Thank you. And that's it. Enjoy.